In this video, we're going to talk about different types of graphs and how to interpret them. A circle graph, also called a pie chart, is used to indicate the total of all the data categories represented. The circle is divided into wedges, like a pie, whose sizes show the relative magnitudes of the categories. The sum of the fractional parts must be 1. Here's an example of interpreting information in a pie chart. In late 2015, there were about 3.3 billion internet users worldwide. This pie chart shows the approximate shares of these users living in various regions of the world. Question A asks, which region had the largest share of internet users, and what was that share? If we look at the pie chart, we can find the answer. It appears that this red section is the largest share, and according to this, that represents users in Asia, of which that was 48% of the total number of internet users. The second question asks us to estimate the number of internet users in Asia. We can estimate this by noting that 3.3 billion is almost 3 billion, and 48% is almost 50%. So we can estimate 3 billion times 50% is 1.5 billion users in Asia. Next, we'll look at a bar graph. It's used to show comparisons and consists of a series of bars arranged vertically or horizontally, and values from two categories are paired with each other. Here we have per capita spending on healthcare. The vertical axis has spending in dollars, while the horizontal axis has years from 2009 to 2014. The bar graph shows annual per capita spending on healthcare in the United States from 2009 to 2014. Per capita means per person. In what years was per capita, let's bring this up a bit so we can see the questions. In what years was per capita health spending greater than $8,000? Well, to do that, all we have to do is look, here is, greater than $8,500. Here is the line representing $8,500. We can just draw another line here and see that from 2012 to 2014, the spending was greater than $8,500. Next, we're asked to estimate per capita health care spending in 2011 and 2014. In 2011, we look at this bar and see it is slightly below that 8,500 line. So let's say that's about $8,400. In 2014, we look and see it's just below the 9,500 line. So we can say in 2014, it was probably about $9,400. Finally, we're asked to describe the change in per capita spending as the years progressed. Well, it is pretty clear looking at this that it is just constantly increasing. Every year it gets bigger.